Hi, everyone, and welcome back. Want to know which leads are sales ready and which need more nurturing? Let me show you how to set up lead scoring in ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign has two scoring types. Contact scores evaluate individual leads. Deal scores evaluate opportunities in your pipeline. I'll focus on contact scoring first. To create a contact score, go to Contact Scoring. Click Add New Score and select Contact Score. Give it a name like Sales Readiness Score. Click Add New Rule to set your first condition. Use the segment builder to define what earns points. For example, give 10 points when someone visits your pricing page. Give 5 points when they open an email. Give 15 points when they fill out a demo request form. You can also subtract points. Remove 10 points if a contact is in a country you don't ship to. Remove 5 points if they haven't opened an email in 30 days. Set an expiration for engagement-based points. A contact who was active 3 years ago shouldn't still have those points. Set points to expire after 60 or 90 days. For dynamic scoring that adds points each time a behavior happens, use automations. Create an automation with a trigger like opens an email or visits a web page. Set it to run multiple times. Add an adjust score, action to add or remove points each time. Once your score is active, create an automation that triggers when a contact reaches a threshold, like 50 points. Send a notification to your sales team or automatically create a deal. And that's it. Lead scoring helps your team focus on the hottest leads while nurturing the rest automatically. If you set up lead scoring, let me know what behavior gives the most points in the comments. See you in the next one.